Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a cinematic B-roll video using AI. So go to HeyGen and select the generate AI videos. Oh, okay. Apparently I can't, but I guess you can do this. Okay, do the well, you're supposed to generate AI videos. But if you can't, you can just do the photo to video. And then you're going to type your script here. I'm just going to select surprise me, select voice, select custom motion, and you can select the sample photo. I'll just use this one in landscape maybe. And then I'm just going to generate video. If you are able to open the generate AI videos, I can't, but you are going to paste in these prompts. I'll say one right now. Okay. The model used for this one is C-Dance. Prompt is macro cinematic shot. Camera slowly pushes in on a glossy black espresso machine as it activates. Close up of a pristine ceramic cup below the spout. Thick, rich espresso begins to drip in slow motion. Steam rising, catching warm morning light, slicing through blinds, capturing coffee drip, texture rising steam, and subtle chrome reflections. But you can make your own prompt using ChatGPT. Well, you can generate your own prompts. For instance, you're using VO3. You're going to select that, develop my prompt from an idea, and then type in maybe like a cinematic B-roll on a plane taking off maybe. And it's going to give you the prompt itself, and you're just going to put it into HeyGen, the generate AI videos one. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.